Hey guys, so for this vlog that we're gonna do today, just filmed the rest today. I'm just gonna I just recorded them all at once. Yeah, for lighting is also important. I don't have the best lighting setup because I don't have the best. Okay guys, so another thing good for vlogs and videography and everything else is lighting. So you need to have good lighting, that way it looks good. And also you need to have a good set. But this, I don't have a good set. Like you can see those clamp things and that thing there. I don't like that, but yeah, I just want to film a video now. Yeah, yeah. Anyway, yeah, for lighting you need to have good light for your face, just like any other photos or everything. You need to have a good light that goes to your face. And yeah, so if you have crappy lighting, like if you have this, sorry, so this is how my garage looks. It's crappy, it's blown out, it's like shitty lighting. You can see that one. So what I do is I turn off the lights. I added those LEDs at the back. Has a quick banding somewhere there. It's quite annoying, but yeah, I think we can go around with it. But yeah, you can see the banding and creating a crazy light there. But it separates me from the background because the background has a different color than me. Also, what I did was I have this key light here. I have this soft box in front of me, and if I turn it off, that's how it's gonna look. There's no light. So this is the key light. This is the main light I have. So when you turn it on, that's how it looks. So it's gonna light me and more things around me. It's gonna have a soft light. That way it's not so dark on some things. And I use this other light here on the side to light, because this is a good light already. But if I'm gonna put this light up here, it's gonna create a bit of highlights there. See that? See that? So it's going to create a bit of highlight there. You can just pump up the light. Oh, sorry. I'm using one hand, so it's quite confusing to me. But yeah, so the light's going to be lit that way. I put a bit of light here just to even it out. And that light at the back. So those are my two lightings. Again, if you have normal lighting, that's how crappy the lighting is. You can see all the rubbish behind me and all the creepy shit around. But if you turn that off, have good light in front of you, that's good enough. This one's just an added. Like if I turn this off, how do I turn it off? So yeah, this is the light. It's still good. It's not perfect, but it's still good. Yeah, this setup here, I'm in a garage right now. It has bad audio and bad everything else, but yeah, it's the place that I can stay and do videos and not worry the people upstairs or lower upstairs. So yeah, lighting is good. Experiment on it. And if ever you have found a good video with good lighting, just ask. Like you can ask me what's the best solution in regards to your lighting. Because again, if you have good lighting, you have good audio, you have good content. That's the thing. I don't have really good content at this point. I'm trying to make good content, but if you have all those, you have good videos, you'll be successful at your YouTube channel. Yeah, I'm not successful, so I shouldn't be an expert. So that's it, guys. Ciao. Okay, I just filmed around 3 videos for this week, so that should cover me up. I love filming here just because of the violet lights up there. And I want to do podcasts again. So Carl LaShawn, let's do podcasts. Yeah.